Step into the quiet sanctuary of the goldsmith's atelier, where the morning sun illuminates the tiny particles of gold dancing in the tranquil air of creation. A master's hands reach for the raw treasures of the earth, carefully measuring grains of pure gold that carry the weight of a 1,000-year-old craft tradition. Before the beauty emerges, we must return to the source, honoring the raw origins of the materials that will soon become a symbol of everlasting love. The intense heat of the blue flame begins its work, waking the sleeping metal and preparing it for a transformation that requires both power and extreme precision. As the temperature rises, the solid gold surrenders to the fire, turning into a liquid river of light that flows with a surreal, almost molten energy. With a steady hand that has performed this ritual 1,000 times, the artisan prepares to pour the liquid sun into its very first physical form. The pour is a critical moment of transition, where the liquid metal fills the mold, releasing spirals of smoke as it begins to find its new shape. Slowly, the intense glow fades and the metal solidifies, capturing the strength of the fire within its core as it waits for the next stage of evolution. The raw ingot is born, a solid block of potential that holds the promise of a masterpiece, still radiating the primal energy of the furnace that created it. The sudden shock of cold water tempers the metal, creating a violent hiss of steam that signals the end of the first chapter of this long journey. Now cleansed and cooled, the gold is ready to be manipulated, its surface waiting for the artisan's touch to guide it toward a much more refined destiny. The journey moves from the heat of the fire to the strength of the forge, where mechanical force will now begin to dictate the final proportions. Through the heavy steel rollers, the gold is squeezed and stretched, a process that requires patience and a rhythmic pace to ensure absolute structural integrity. With every pass, the metal transforms, becoming longer and more elegant, its surface smoothing out as the raw textures of the pour are pressed into perfection. We are now forging the soul of the piece, measuring every millimeter to ensure that the foundation of the ring is as perfect as the stone it will hold. On the anvil of creation, the artisan uses a series of rhythmic hammer strikes to further refine the shape, a dance of metal against metal that rings out. The sound of the hammer is the heartbeat of the workshop, a satisfying and steady pulse that drives the gold into its desired thickness and density. Slowly, the straight line begins to curve, yielding to the persistent pressure of the pliers as it starts to take the iconic form of a circle. Using a tapered mandrel, the artisan ensures the circle is true, tapping gently to erase any irregularities and find the perfect diameter for a human finger. The two ends meet in a seamless union, a testament to the jeweler's skill in calculation and the physical preparation of the precious metal's edges. A final touch of fire unites the circle forever as a tiny bead of solder flows into the seam, making the ring whole and unbreakable. The bond is forged and the seam disappears into the golden circle, creating a foundation that is as strong as the commitment it is meant to represent. With a delicate needle file, the artisan removes any trace of the welding process, smoothing the metal until the circle appears to have grown naturally. The band is complete, a perfect golden halo that stands ready to receive its crown, moving from the forge to the realm of light and brilliance. We now turn our attention to the heart of the masterpiece, a raw diamond, still locked in its stony shell, waiting for its inner light to be freed. In this modern age, technology joins hands with tradition as lasers map the internal structure of the stone to plan the most perfect facets possible. Every internal characteristic is weighed and measured, ensuring that the cut will maximize the fire and brilliance hidden deep within the carbon lattice. The stone meets the wheel, a high-frequency friction that slowly removes the rough outer layer, beginning the arduous process of creating the first geometric facets. This is a game of microns, where the slightest tilt of the hand can change the way light travels through the stone forever. Frequent inspections are vital as the artisan searches for the perfect angle that will allow the diamond to breathe and sing with reflected light. Facet by facet, the geometry emerges, transforming a dull pebble into a prism that captures and bends every ray of light that enters its domain. The fire awakens, throwing spectral colors across the workshop, a sign that we are reaching the peak of the diamond's potential brilliance and clarity. The table is polished to a mirror finish, a window into the soul of the stone that will draw the eye in with its sheer, liquid depth. A final verification ensures that every angle is mathematically perfect, satisfying the rigorous standards of modern gemology and the artisan's personal quest for excellence. Behold the heart of the ring, a stone that has traveled from the depths of the earth through the fire of the forge to find its perfection. Light and fragile, yet incredibly strong, it is a paradox of nature, refined by human hands into a state of absolute, breathtaking purity. Every line converges at a single point of truth, a symmetry that mirrors the balance we strive for in our lives and in our most precious designs. Now comes the most delicate phase, where the gold band is prepared to receive its precious cargo through the fine art of hand engraving and carving. The master's touch is light but firm, carving channels into the gold that will soon be home to a constellation of smaller, brilliant diamonds. As the steel cuts through the precious metal, ribbons of gold curl away like silk, revealing the soft, bright interior of the 24-carat alloy. With the precision of a surgeon, tiny seats are drilled, each one custom fit to the exact dimensions of the small diamonds that will follow. No detail is too small, as each accent stone is hand-selected to ensure a uniform river of light that will wrap around the wearer's finger. One by one, the diamonds find their place, fitting into the gold with a satisfying precision that feels as though they were always meant to be there. The gold is gently moved, flowing over the edges of the stones to lock them in place, a technique known as grain setting that requires immense patience. The pattern begins to emerge, a brilliant trail of light that enhances the central focal point and adds a layer of sophisticated complexity to the piece. Now, the stage is set for the star of the show as the 4 golden prongs are carefully aligned to receive the center stone. This is the moment of truth, where the diamond is united with its golden throne, balanced perfectly to catch the light from every conceivable angle. Pressure is applied with extreme care, bending the strong gold over the diamond's edge to secure it without putting undue stress on the precious gem. The union is complete. The diamond is now one with the ring, a permanent marriage of Earth's hardest substance and its most beautiful metal. To ensure comfort and elegance, the prongs are filed into smooth spheres, blending seamlessly into the design so they do not snag on any fabric. Even the hidden parts of the ring are masterpieces of engineering, designed to allow light to flood the diamonds from beneath, maximizing their internal fire. The structural work is finished, and the artisan takes a moment to appreciate the weight and the balance of the piece before the final purification begins. We enter the final stage of the journey, where the hidden luster of the gold will be brought to a mirror-like shine through the power of friction. Purification is more than just cleaning, it is the process of removing every microscopic scratch to reveal the true, radiant spirit of the gold. The contrast is startling as the dull metal wakes up, reflecting the world around it with a clarity that only a master's polish can achieve. Every nook and cranny is addressed, ensuring that even the most hidden surfaces contribute to the overall brilliance and luxury of the final piece. To remove any traces of polishing wax, the ring is bathed in an ultrasonic cleaner where millions of tiny bubbles scrub the surface with sound waves. These microscopic explosions reach deep into the settings, ensuring that every facet of every diamond is perfectly clean and ready to shine at its maximum. It emerges from the bath like a celestial object, cleansed of the workshop's dust and fire, reborn as a pure vessel of light and beauty. Hot steam provides the final touch, removing any residue and leaving the surface flawlessly dry and streak-free, ready for its public debut. Under the scrutiny of the final inspection, the ring must prove its perfection, showing no flaws, no marks, only the pure intention of the maker. The hallmark is the final word, a seal of authenticity and a promise of quality that will travel with this ring for generations to come. The transition from the workshop to the wearer begins here, handled with the utmost respect as we prepare for the final presentation of the masterpiece. The tools are silent, the fire is out, and all that remains is the fruit of the labor, a testament to human skill and nature's raw power. In this single beam of light, we see the culmination of hours of focus, a brilliance that was once hidden inside a rough, grey stone. Behold the finished masterpiece, a symphony of gold and light that transcends its material origins to become something truly eternal and divine. This is eternal brilliance, a piece that captures a moment in time and holds it forever within its shimmering facets and golden embrace. Watch as the light dances within, breaking into 1,000 colors, a silent song of beauty that speaks directly to the heart of the observer. From every angle, the craftsmanship is undeniable, a complex architecture of luxury that supports and celebrates the ultimate symbol of love and commitment. A treasure deserves a worthy home, and this handmade box is the final layer of a story that began in the depths of a dark mine. With reverence, the ring is settled into its place, waiting for the hand it was destined for, ready to begin its true life's work. The final click marks the end of our journey in the workshop and the beginning of a new legacy for those who will wear this piece. Every detail of the presentation is handled with the same care as the creation itself, ensuring that the first reveal is a moment of pure magic. From raw ore to a polished masterpiece, we have witnessed the transformation of the ordinary into the extraordinary, a gift that will last a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this journey of craftsmanship. May your own journey be filled with as much light and brilliance as this ring.